Hey guys, welcome to the 22nd video. In this video, what we'll be talking about is the border property in CSS. As you can see, I've outlined some of them out here. Here, talk about the border color, which can be in RGB or hexadecimal, or the border width. We talk about the border width. You can either use the thin, the thick, medium, and all of them is measured in pixels. Then talk about the border styles, where you have the solid, the dash, the dotted, the groove, double, whatever. You see how each of them work as we go along. So let's just go to our template and add one more paragraph in which we are going to be using to illustrate this, or rather we use an existing one to illustrate. So let's just dive back. For our code, I want us to use this last paragraph here. So what we'll do right now, we'll just delete this inline CSS, close that up, then give it a class, auto. Let's call this border, giving it a class of border. So at this point, what we need to do is go to CSS and declare this style here. I copied it to make sure we don't get it wrong, because once the spelling is wrong, it will not affect. So at this point, say dot border, open a curly bracket, close it up, then our code goes in here. All we need to do at this point, remember what we'll be talking about right now is border color. So we just take this, paste it here, then give it a border color of red. Please, we need something that is very pronounced. Let's save it, then preview in our browser. Hold on, border color red. Save this up, save up. Let's refresh it. There we go. But it's not working. So what I've decided to do here, I want to use this paragraph 1 since it's up here to be easier for us to see the effects. So I'll be using the paragraph 1 to illustrate it. So we'll go up here. This is paragraph 1. So you can see border. We have the 3 type of border selection here. We have the pixel, we have the solid, and the black, which is this is the border color and whatever. So if we change this to red, let me just use each of them border color. Let's say red, and border width, here, say solid. Save that and refresh. Okay, so as you can see, we've gone ahead to do a little extra coding to save time. So this is our border color, red, a border width, thick, a border style, solid. Then we already have a background color, which is white. So at this point, if we want to start changing each of the border style, border width, you see how they differ. So if we change this to thick to thin, for instance, presently it was thick. If we refresh it, you see that the red has become very thin. So if we change it, let's say this is dotted, save it, refresh. So you can see our border has been dotted. You can also use the dashed, save it. Now it has been dashed. So if you look at them presently, let me change this to thick. So you see how they both affect it. This is it. This is dashed, dotted. We also have a double. So if we change this to double, save it, refresh. Now you see that the border is doubled. Most people use this in terms of when they are designing their web applications and the rest. You might be wondering how it is done. This is just a simple line of code to get it done. So that is just how this border style and the rest works. Now I want us to talk about the border radius, which I just placed here. So the border radius gives the edges a curve. As you already know the name radius, what it does. So if we copy this border radius 10 pixel, add it to this and save it, what it's meant to do here is that these edges will be all curved. So if we refreshed, there you go. Now you see that the edges have been curved and it's looking nice and clean. So if, for instance, we decide to add a little padding to make it look a bit okay, let's just add padding 10 pixel. Yes, that will push the text. Now you see this entire border has been given a radius of 10 pixels each. Assuming you want this to be curved, and just this and this and this should maintain their usual sharp edges, what you need to know is this: there is one we call the border. So in terms of this, you not say border top, left radius. At this point, you can give it a 10 pixel, save it, see what happens. Border top left here has been curved. If you look at this, they are all having sharp edges. And if you want this bottom here to be curved, what you need to do is copy this, paste it, and say border bottom right radius 10 pixel. If you refresh it, this angle here where you have the cursor will be curved as well. So you see you have a nice looking design here right now. So what we just need to do, if you want to change it, maybe here you want here to also be curved and here also curved, all you just need to do is you use that one line of code, border radius, give it a 10 pixel to apply to all sides. And if you just want some of them to be curved, all you need to do is to specify the area where you want the curve to take place. So thank you and see you in the next video.